Here's a patch playing from Elements, and because my overview video, which is coming soon, is going to be going through the features and sort of be a video manual for what the module does and how it works, I thought I'd first share some more musical patches that makes use of the module and its CV inputs. So here's a mandolin, zither, ethnic pluck type sound. Turning down the blow, we're left with the bow section, which is a foundation to the notes. Then with the blow section, which is red, it provides the extra noise in the exciter section. The flow scans through different noise wave tables, changing the sound going into the resonator. There's also timbre for the noise. Moving the dampening, we can let that virtual string ring longer. And geometry will change the vibrating material in the resonator. The first CV I'll add is an envelope to the dampening, which lets more energy through at its peak and then dampens and mutes the energy almost like palm muting on a guitar. I'm also going to use the envelope to open up the brightness slightly as well. So with just that one envelope, it brings a little more life to the sound. And this space knob can add this lovely lush reverb as well. Next I'm going to add some sample and hold movement to the airflow in the blow section of the exciter. The sample and hold is triggered per note in this section and just provides subtle changes to the sound. I'm then going to add an LFO to the timbre of the blow section. And I'll use the strike section to add a bit of an attack and a stronger transient pluck at the front of the note. And the mallet will scan through different impulses and samples. For this patch I've got a glassy struck type sound. I'm going to add an envelope to the brightness of the resonator section. This acts a bit like the dampening, opening up the brightness and then bringing that back down with the envelope. I'm also going to split that envelope into the space, giving a gated reverb type sound. Here's an LFO to the position, which acts as a lovely rich PWM style modulation. My sample and hold output is then going into the dampening. And I'm just going to tame the range of that sample and hold with the onboard attenuator. Changing the timbre of the strike brings in a different tonal colour to the resonator. And with the timbre at low settings, it's really pushing out some thick low subs, which works great when you want a bass line that's then got some top end harmonics in as well. Here's a bit of additional noise. And changing the geometry gives different types of material that are used in the resonator section. For a final patch, here's a bass patch that I've set up. I've got CVs coming from LFOs and some FM that I'll play around with. I've got sample and hold going into the brightness in the resonator, LFOs over the timbre and airflow in the blow mode of the exciter. The FM can take things in a really great full-on noisy, more mangled sound, which then putting that into external VCAs and filters is great for more percussive sound design. So I'll just leave this playing and let you hear the patch while I play around with the CVs and FM. There's just a few patches in a more musical context, showing off some of what Elements can do. Check out my video linked in the description for playing Elements from a set of Make Noise pressure points. I've got a full overview coming for Elements soon, so hit like and subscribe for more videos every week.